Do you feel like your grocery bill keeps getting bigger every time you shop? You're not alone. Many people find it hard to keep their grocery spending under control, especially with the rising cost of food. But the good news is, there are smart and simple ways to save money without sacrificing quality or taste. In today's fast-paced world, managing money wisely is more important than ever. This is where the idea of frugal living comes in. By making small changes to how we shop for food, we can stretch our dollars further and avoid wasting money on unnecessary things. Learning to be smart with our groceries is a great way to take control of our budget and improve our personal finances. In this video, I'll show you 7 creative ways to save money on groceries. These tips are easy to follow and can make a big difference. You'll find that cutting down your grocery bill is not as hard as you think. Let's dive in and discover how small changes can lead to big savings. Number 1. Meal planning and batch cooking. Meal planning is one of the easiest ways to save money on groceries. It simply means planning what you will eat for the week before you go shopping. By doing this, you know exactly what to buy and you're less likely to waste food or spend money on things you don't need. A good tip is to look at what's already in your pantry or fridge and plan meals around those items. This helps you use what you have and avoid buying too much. Batch cooking is another great way to save money and time. This involves cooking large amounts of food at once, then dividing it into portions for the week. For example, you can cook a big pot of soup or pasta and freeze extra portions to eat later. This not only saves you from cooking every day, but also helps you avoid expensive takeout meals. With meal planning and batch cooking, you'll be less likely to make impulse buys, and you can plan meals based on what's on sale. You'll also waste less food, which means saving more money. In the long run, these simple habits help you stick to your budget and keep your grocery costs low. It's a smart way to live frugally and manage your personal finances better. Number 2. Buy in bulk. Buying in bulk is a simple and effective way to save money on groceries, especially for items you use regularly. When you buy in bulk, you're purchasing larger quantities of products, which often lowers the cost per item. For example, things like rice, pasta, canned goods, and even toilet paper are usually cheaper when bought in larger amounts. While buying in bulk might cost more upfront, it saves you money in the long run because you don't have to buy these items as often. You can find bulk items at warehouse stores like Costco or Sam's Club, or even at regular grocery stores that offer large sizes of certain products. It's important to only buy in bulk for things that won't spoil quickly. Dry goods, frozen foods, and household items are perfect for bulk shopping. However, avoid buying perishable items in large amounts unless you know you'll use them before they go bad. Overall, buying in bulk is a key strategy in frugal living. It helps you stock up on essentials while saving money, making it easier to stick to your budget and improve your personal finances over time. Number 3. Use cashback and coupon apps. In today's digital age, using cashback and coupon apps is one of the easiest ways to save money on groceries. These apps offer discounts, deals, and even money back on the items you buy regularly. It's like getting paid to shop. Many people don't realize how much money they can save just by taking a few minutes to check their phones before heading to the store. There are several popular cashback apps, such as Ibotta and Rakuten, which allow you to earn money back on groceries. All you need to do is scan your receipts after shopping, and you'll receive cashback for specific items. Over time, these small amounts add up and can make a big difference in your budget. Coupon apps like Honey or Coupons.com also help by finding deals for you. These apps show you digital coupons for various products, so you don't have to clip paper coupons from the newspaper. You can even combine store sales with coupons to save even more. Using cashback and coupon apps is an easy way to lower your grocery bill without much effort. It's a smart move for anyone practicing frugal living and wanting to take better control of their personal finances. Every little bit of savings helps, and over time, these apps can make a big impact on your budget. Number 4. Shop seasonally and locally. Buying fruits and vegetables that are in season is a great way to save money on groceries. When produce is in season, there is more of it, so the prices are lower. For example, berries are cheaper in the summer, while root vegetables like potatoes and carrots are more affordable in the winter. Shopping seasonally not only saves you money, but also gives you fresher, tastier food. Another smart way to save is by shopping locally. Farmers markets often have fresh produce at lower prices compared to grocery stores. Plus, you're supporting local farmers, which is a nice bonus. Many local farms also offer community-supported agriculture, CSA, boxes, where you can pay a flat fee and get a box of fresh, local produce each week. This is often cheaper than buying the same amount from a supermarket. By shopping seasonally and locally, you can cut down on your grocery bill and eat healthier. It's a win-win for your budget and your body. Plus, you're making a choice that supports the environment by reducing the distance your food has to travel to reach you. This is a simple yet effective strategy for anyone focused on frugal living and better personal finance. Number 5. Stick to a grocery list and budget. One of the best ways to save money on groceries is by making a grocery list and sticking to it. When you go to the store without a list, it's easy to grab things you don't really need, which can quickly increase your bill. By creating a list before you shop, you can focus only on the items you need and avoid impulse buys. Before you make your list, check your pantry and fridge to see what you already have. Plan your meals around those items so you can use up what's on hand and avoid buying extra. Make sure your list includes only the essentials and items on sale. Setting a grocery budget is also important. Decide how much you can spend each week or month and stick to that amount. Use budgeting apps like Mint or Nab. You need a budget to help track your spending. When you shop with a list and a budget, you're more likely to stay on track and save money. It's a simple but powerful way to practice frugal living and improve your personal finances. Being disciplined at the store can make a big difference in your grocery spending. Number 6. Grow your own food. Growing your own food is a fun and effective way to save money on groceries. Even if you don't have a big yard, you can grow a small garden on a balcony or windowsill. Herbs like basil, mint, and parsley are easy to grow in pots and can save you from buying expensive herbs at the store. Vegetables like tomatoes, peppers, and lettuce are also great choices for beginners. Starting your own garden doesn't need to be expensive. You can buy seeds or starter plants at a low cost, or even start from kitchen scraps. For example, you can regrow green onions, lettuce, and celery from the ends you usually throw away. Just place them in water and watch them grow. Having fresh vegetables and herbs at home can help you spend less at the store and eat healthier. You'll also have the satisfaction of knowing exactly where your food comes from. If you grow more than you need, you can freeze or can the extras for later. Growing your own food is a perfect way to live frugally. It requires a bit of time and effort, but it pays off by cutting your grocery costs and giving you fresh, homegrown produce. Plus, gardening can be a relaxing and rewarding hobby that benefits both your wallet and your well-being. Number 7. Take advantage of store loyalty programs. Store loyalty programs are an easy way to save money on groceries. Many grocery stores offer these programs for free, and they provide special discounts, coupons, and rewards to loyal customers. By signing up, you can access exclusive deals that aren't available to other shoppers. When you join a store's loyalty program, you usually earn points for every dollar you spend. Over time, you can redeem these points for discounts on future purchases or even get free items. Some stores also offer personalized coupons based on what you buy regularly, helping you save even more. To make the most of these programs, sign up for loyalty cards at the stores you shop at most often, like Kroger, Safeway, or Aldi. Many stores also have apps that allow you to track your points and receive extra savings right from your phone. Using store loyalty programs is a simple and effective way to lower your grocery bill. It takes only a few minutes to sign up, but the savings can add up over time. For anyone focused on frugal living, these programs are a smart way to stick to your budget and improve your personal finances without much effort. Saving money on groceries doesn't have to be difficult. By using a few smart strategies, you can cut down your grocery bill and make your money go further. Each small step can lead to big savings over time. Growing your own food or sticking to a budget and grocery list also helps you avoid wasting money on unnecessary items. The key is to be mindful of your spending and make thoughtful choices. Frugal living isn't about being cheap. It's about being smart with your money and getting the most value out of every dollar. These creative ways to save on groceries can help you build better habits, improve your personal finances, and reduce financial stress. Start by trying one or two of these tips and see how much you can save in a month. Over time, these small changes will add up and make a big difference in your overall budget. With some effort and planning, You can enjoy fresh, healthy food while staying within your budget and reaching your financial goals. Now, if you want to learn how to achieve financial success, then watch this video next. If you made it to this point in the video, please like and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.